Definition of percentages. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are percentages? 2. What other methods of expressing numbers are equivalent to percentages? 3. How to write a number as a percentage of another number. 4. How to find the percentage of an amount. 5. How to calculate the percentage of another percentage of an amount. 6. How to add, subtract, multiply, divide percentages. 7. What does the word of means when dealing with percentages? Introduction. How do you interpret the message 80% charged written on your mobile phone? What does it mean, I am 100% sure it will rain tomorrow? What does it mean, there is a 0% chance for me to travel next week? A bank offers 2.5% of simple interest. How much money will you have deposited in that bank after 2 years if you make a deposit of $10,000 right now? Percentages represent a very important concept we use every day in one form or another. It is therefore important to understand what percentages represent in order to be familiar with them when using them in practice. In this tutorial, we provide an introduction to percentages to provide a good understanding and make it easier to understand the application of percentages. An associated formula cover in the following tutorials in the percentages chapter. That is all for introduction to definition of percentages. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 5.1.1, definition of percentages. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.